Hi everyone, it's Teacher Jen again with InWorld School. Welcome to your class. Weather, weather. It's rainy. It's rainy. It's windy. It's windy. It's snowy. It's snowy. It's sunny. It's sunny. It's stormy. It's stormy. Hot. Hot. She is hot. Cold. Cold. He is cold. Season. Season. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 seasons. Winter. Winter. In winter, it is cold. Spring. Spring. In spring, it is warm. Summer. Summer. In summer, it is hot. Fall. Fall. In fall, it is chilly. It is rainy. It is sunny. It is stormy. It is snowy. It is windy. It is cold. It is hot. Hot weather. What clothes do we wear in hot weather? A skirt, a dress, a t-shirt, shorts, a tank top, a swimsuit, shorts, slippers. These are for hot weather. Cold weather. What clothes do we wear in cold weather? A sweater, pants, a jacket, a coat, gloves, a scarf, a sweatshirt, a hat, boots. These are for cold weather. Rainy weather. What clothes do we wear in rainy weather? Pants, a sweater, an umbrella, a rain jacket, boots. These are for rainy weather. What are hot weather sports? What are hot weather sports? Swimming, running, basketball. Swimming is a hot weather sport. Running is a hot weather sport. Basketball is a hot weather sport. What are cold weather sports? What are cold weather sports? Skiing, ice skating. Skiing is a cold weather sport. Ice skating is a cold weather sport. That's all for now, but I'll see you next time here at InWorld School. Goodbye.